In this video, I'll show you how to use an electric hand planer. When working with an electric hand planer, always keep your hands away from the blade area to avoid accidents. And wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from flying wood chips and debris. Take the time to familiarize yourself with the different components of the tool to get better control over it. Start by setting the front shoe adjustment to 0, ensuring that the blade does not touch the wood surface. The adjustment increments decide the amount of material that will be removed with each pass. When you need to set the planer down, use the kickstand feature. This prevents any potential damage to the blade or work surface. When you're ready to begin planing, hold the tool firmly and position it on the wood surface. As you move along the workpiece, apply more pressure towards the front of the planer. Gradually increase the downward pressure as you reach a point where both bases are adequately supported. Lift the planer slightly at the end of each pass to avoid creating grooves. It's generally advisable to remove material gradually by making multiple passes instead of using the maximum setting. This approach provides better control and minimizes the risk of surface damage. To ensure a flat and even surface, maintain a consistent planer angle throughout the process. Avoid uneven pressure or tilting, as it can lead to grooves or irregularities in the wood. Strictly avoid planing over nails, as they can damage the blades. Especially for those working with reclaimed wood, be cautious of hidden nails that could potentially damage the blades. Remove those nails from the wood surface before planing. When necessary, you must replace the planer blades. This typically involves loosening some bolts, removing the blade mechanism, and either flipping the blade or installing a new one. Refer to your planer's instructions for the specific replacement process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more such woodworking tutorials. See you next time.